In this video, I'm going to show you how to land a job in accounting for a small, tiny fraction of the cost of formally attending a college or university. And that is by using an online course and certification through CourseCareers.com, one of the most popular online learning platforms out there for starting new careers, which I'll be reviewing here. Hey folks, I'm Khalil Jackson here. I'm currently working as an accounting manager making $120,000 a year, and I personally went through CourseCareers and landed a job in accounting. So I'll be able to share my honest review of how you can use this online course and certification to land a job in accounting from someone who's actually done it. Just to give you a quick background, CourseCareers was started in 2019 by Troy Buchholz. Troy decided not to go to college after high school and wanted a cheaper, more direct path to starting a career that wouldn't put him in debt or take 4 years. He realized that if he used online education to match what employers wanted in job descriptions, then he would be able to land a job in tech sales. And that's what he did. He was able to start a career in tech sales at about just 18 years old. He then started CourseCareers to help others do the same and start careers in a variety of fields by just using structured online courses that match what employers want. To do this, CourseCareers partners with experts working in the industry to create the course based on everything that they need to learn and land their first job. This allows their courses to be very aligned with employers and up to date with someone actually needing to know their instructor and working in the industry. Since its founding, CourseCareers has grown to teach many different careers, from software development and data analytics to accounting and plumbing. It's helped thousands of people land new jobs without having any previous experience, and consistently is one of the highest rated course platforms when compared to other courses like Coursera and Udemy. They have quite a lot in making online courses a mainstream way for people to start new careers. So first, let's talk about what you'll find when you arrive at CourseCareers for the first time. I'll include a link down below for you to follow along. Visiting CourseCareers, you'll start by seeing all of their different careers they teach. They give people information such as starting salary and difficulty to land job to help you decide which one is a good fit for you. If you click on success stories, you can see other people's stories to learn how they transitioned from being in situations that might be similar to yours to landing their first job by going through the course. You might be able to get some good nuggets of information that could help you on your journey from these. I personally chose the accounting course. Here's what the accounting course page looks like. But how do you know if accounting is the right career for you when you have all of these options? How do you know you're going to be a good fit for an accounting career? That's exactly what I was thinking when I first started. This is where CourseCareers can help you out right now for free. They have a completely free introduction course that will teach you everything you'd want to know before choosing accounting as a career. It teaches you why it's such a great career, what you'd actually be doing on a day-to-day basis, and what your job would be like. Then it teaches you what you need to learn and do in order to land your first position without having a degree or experience. This is all completely free, so there's a ton of valuable information here that you should sign up for if you haven't already. Here's what the career path in accounting looks like. You start as an accountant 1, then you can advance to a senior accountant, then to an accounting manager like myself, and then eventually to controller or CFO positions, making $200,000 plus. Let's talk about what it looks like once you've enrolled in the course. Here's the course outline. Let me go through this course outline section by section. Section 1 starts with welcome to the course, which gets you oriented and excited about your new career path. Then you dive into the foundation of accounting, where you learn why accounting exists and who cares, accounting through the ages, and even great fraudsters of history. This foundation helps you understand not just what accounting is, but why it matters in the business world. Section 2 covers accounting fundamentals. This is where you'll learn profit and loss statements and balance sheet, chart of accounts. These are the core documents every accountant works with daily. You'll understand what companies own, what they owe, and what's left over. Section 3 teaches accounting methodology. You'll learn the difference between cash accounting and accrual accounting, plus various revenue recognition methods. This is crucial because different businesses use different methods, and understanding when and why is what separates good accountants from great ones. Section 4 focuses on accounting systems, where you'll learn about common tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and accounting software. In today's world, being proficient with technology is essential for any accounting role. Section 5 dives into basics of accounting, including the chart of accounts, concepts, journal entries, debits and credits, and T accounts. These are the building blocks that everything else is built upon. Sections 6 and 7 apply everything you've learned through profit and loss accounting and balance sheet accounting with real case studies and practical examples. Here's where CourseCareers really shines compared to other platforms. They include specialized training for different accounting roles. Section 8 covers payroll specialist core competencies. Section 9 teaches billing and collections. Section 10 focuses on bookkeeper skills. And Section 11 prepares you to be a tax preparer. They also regularly audit their courses with employers to make sure they're up to date with what employers are looking for. But this next thing CourseCareers provides is arguably even more valuable than the course content, the support. You can connect and learn with other students going through the same journey as you. You can ask questions, meet with them, see how others are progressing through the course and job search. The benefits of learning with your peers is incredible because you realize you're not alone in this journey. How coaching works is what makes this a game changer. Being able to get coached by someone who's currently where they want to be. College instructors often have never worked in the field, or if they did, it was 10, 20, or sometimes 30 years ago, so they can't help guide you where you want to go. Coaches who are industry professionals know what is currently happening in the industry, what you need to learn, and what employers are looking for. They can unblock you if you get stuck on course content or get on a call to help you create your resume and LinkedIn to make sure it has all the correct keywords and formatting for the industry. There are no other online courses that provide this level of support, and it's affordable, with coaches offering free sessions and some one-on-ones are only $30. So if you need to meet 3 times, that's only an extra $90 to start a career in accounting compared to the average price of over $100,000 for college. It's more valuable and it's hundreds of times less expensive. Where CourseCareers really stands out is their attention to getting people jobs. And that brings me to my next point. The job search section is where the course really shines. Everything you've learned in this course leads you to this point. You'll then take a final exam, and after passing, you'll receive a certification which you can add to your resume to show employers you've learned all of these skills. Now it's time to showcase the skills you've learned to employers and land your new job. There are 3 parts to this job search section. The first is your resume. They have software that helps you build your resume according to best practices, so your resume will stand out when you're applying to jobs. They also have videos walking you through how to create your resume, what keywords to include, and how to really showcase the skills you've learned. What stands out here is the detailed guidance they give you to create your resume, specific to landing a job in accounting when you don't have previous experience. Generic resume templates wouldn't work here because you're starting without experience. So they make it so your education stands out, allowing recruiters to immediately see why you're a good fit for the job. The second is your LinkedIn, where they provide basic guidance on best practices to set up your LinkedIn to match your resume. Nothing too special here, but it's important. Lastly, the part I haven't seen in any other courses, CourseCareers gives you step-by-step guidance on how to apply to companies the correct way to land interviews. The secret is to not just apply online and cross your fingers. It is instead teaches you how to exactly find the right person in charge of hiring, how to get their contact information like their email, and how to pitch yourself to them the correct way so they'll want to set up an interview with you. CourseCareers even provides exact templates you can use for this. It doesn't matter how much you learn in a course if you can't show your skills to employers. And that's why CourseCareers does a fantastic job and what makes the difference between you landing a job or not. The last one is a nice benefit I haven't seen in other courses. Imagine you're sitting in a college lecture and you have a question about something the instructor just said. You would have to write down your question, raise your hand, stop the class for the other 100 students, and have the instructor explain the answer to you as fast as they can so they can move on. If you still don't understand it, you'd have to stop the class again to ask a follow-up question. The ability to get your questions answered during a college lecture was a nightmare, but this AI tutor makes it so much better. As you're going through the course, they have an AI tutor that knows everything that's inside the course and will automatically suggest questions you might have as you're watching videos. For example, if you were watching a video about debits and credits, it would automatically show 3 questions you might be wondering, and all you have to do is click on it to get the answer. If you're still not sure about the answer it gives you, you can ask it to explain to you like you're a 5-year-old, and it will, all while you're still watching the videos. This kind of real-time support and feedback is the optimal way to learn. Based on my experience, this is the best course you can take right now if you want to land a job in accounting. It teaches you everything you need to know, provides you with the guidance you need to have an effective job search to get interviews, and ace them, and gives you all the support you could need from people who have done it what you want to do. What do you think about the course? Let me know down below in the comments. And while you're down there, hit the like button. As always, if you want to learn more about how to land a job in accounting, follow me for more content.